guys, this is the ModernHackers channel. Today we will make an unbox review about this Tamiya 99 WRC Subaru Impreza model, which is a beautiful kit, still in production. I think many of you guys have it and sitting on your stash. And let's see what is inside. Maybe you will have appetite to make some build after this unboxing review. If you like this content, please like the video and subscribe for the channel to support the channel future. Let's see. So, as usual, we have a Tamiya user manual, including some history about the model. We get the color code as usual. I was looking for the color about the blue color. Tamiya is recommending the TS50, this mica blue, but the challenge with this mica blue is that only available with the spray can. So if you're working with airbrush and you don't like the spray can, then I figured out that Mr. Color has a sprayable paint, and the name is metallic blue. That will be, I definitely have a look if it fits for the model, fits for the blue. So that setting and adjustment I have to make, unless you like the TS blue with spray can, or you can configure anything else. From a user manual point of view, looks to me it's a mid-range with 13 steps, roughly 13 steps. From a user manual point of view, I think everything is straightforward. You expect that you will also have some extension that you get with the kit, especially in this. We will review. One thing which interesting to me, why the rear wings needs to be assembled at the end when all painting and body is done. So I'm thinking what's the right thing to do is to keep at the end and put at the end the rear wings, or assemble together with the chassis and body itself. Most probably I will give a go. I build the Ferrari the same way. That's the only challenging to me. And some considerations in this manual, you can decide that these additional rally lamps you will connect together with the others or not. So it is a decision that you want to make these big front lamps, or you just want to have the default look and view of the kit. Let's see what is inside. So we have the body. Let's open it up. Looks to me some molding challenges, but if you touch, it doesn't give any negative feeling. It's just inside the molding, not affecting the surface. You don't need to worry about that. Several places you have the same. It's not a real issue, it's just an optical thing. If you make a primer, everything goes away. It's just a coupe, as in the picture. And also there are some holes for the upper exteriors and also by factory you can see a body kit applied. So it's not the standard GC8 model, this already with the STI model with the body kit. I don't see any particular issue. I think just this molding color is only in the plastic material, not affecting actually the model itself. Tires. Pretty slick tires. Also you have this that you can apply here, as you remember shown on the user manual. It's nice. Windows. For the windows you have a masking. Let's see, open up, because you never know what is inside. We have to check if it's scratchy or not. You have also the masking for the windows. That's great. And the windows itself. The whole Windows section is one element. No dents and scratches. I don't see anything. And also the lamps, pretty detailed. Index lamps. There are some materials which will go, I think, underneath, and still made of transparent material. Let's see. You get a silver panel, matrix vignette, adhesive vignette. You get sports driver seats. Also I can see this dents and molding challenge, but I don't see yet hit the material itself. I see these dents on every panel, each and every panel, but actually not causing issue on the surface. I did see other YouTube videos mentioning there are some problems with them, but this particular model doesn't have any. So all looks healthy, not a molding issue. So you don't need to worry about this. Exhaust system. The cockpit is left-handed, so like the European standard. And also you have a cage, a rally cage that you need to install, apply within the coupe. Okay. Everything is blue. So compared with other models, maybe it's a challenge why everything is blue. So you don't have an idea which one to color, so you always need to follow the user manual. I myself typically applying a primer for everything, and that's solving the problem. So you don't need to worry about that everything is blue. You just apply a grayish primer, and that will cover and dissolve everything, so you don't need to worry anything about that. So left side you can see the base plate, the base lower chassis. There is no dedicated engine, I can see in this car. No engine. You want to install engine, maybe just install the differential parts to the 4x4 full drive wheel system, but nothing else. The rims are also with the same material, so you will need to paint exclusively the rims. You need to be prepared on that, select the right color for that. Lamps, axles, brakes. I don't see also again molding issue. Other than this air intake, I see something, but maybe this coming off. If I a little bit scratching this, maybe this will come off. This is I think it's an average model. That's to my satisfaction and your satisfaction, guys. And last but not least, how about the decals? So that's important piece of every model. Let's see what we get. So we have the standard Subaru signs on the right side without 555, so standard Subaru brand. And some promotions, and also the interiors on the other. So we have the seat belts, the sport belts, the seat covers, rally signs, all kind of things. And here you can get the 555 numbers if you wish. You can see that the 555 is on the second decal sheet. Also some ProDrive logo. So it's a pretty complete kit with this amount of money. And if it is your starter model or if it is a medium model, that depends on where you are with your experience. All the case looks to me it will be a wonderful journey. I will give a try and hope you will also try. I will make also a build video after this. If you have any questions, go to the comment section and raise. I will try building this model. I will first starting with removing the parts, then sanding the parts, then priming, painting. I will give you an update about my build video, how it went, what were the challenges based on the expectations, and also I will give you an update about the color selection, because as mentioned in the beginning, I don't go with this, most probably don't go with the TS50. I will go with most probably Mr. Color metallic paint, metallic blue. That's my expectation if it's available. Hit comments under the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like itself. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day, guys.